Welcome back to Free Minds Club. This is Shahbaz Khan, and today in this video, I will recite a poetry by Pragati Tiwari. I dream of a life where a girl isn't bound to do anything against her wish, who's not caged but liberated to live her life according to her, who's not tortured but honored in every way, who's not just meant to do the household chores but to fulfill all her desires, who's not the one to compromise always but also hold her self-esteem whenever needed, whose voice isn't suppressed but carefully listened, whose feet aren't tied but given strength to stand on her own, who's not slacked by people but given wings to fly higher, higher and higher in the sky.